Here now I am at Stone Town, locally known as Mjimkongwe. Maybe you didn't know this. Stone Town was inscribed by UNESCO in 2000 as World Heritage Site.
Stone Town, where the past lives, and every step feels like a soft echo. We begin at the old fort of Zanzibar, built in the 7th century. Walls that have seen battles and now hold art, peace and memory. It stands strong but silent. Next, we enter Darajani Market, lively, raw and full of color. The smell of spices, the voices of vendors, the energy of local life. This is where Zanzibar breathes loud. Zanzibar has two different doors, and now we have the Indian doors. And what indicates this is Indian doors? Normally it has half cycles and it have sharp spikes. This against elephants in India, but in Zanzibar we don't have elephants. It's just for decorations. Now we walk into the narrow streets, twisting alleys, stone walls and wooden doors. As the sky fades, we arrive at Forodhani Night Market. Smoke rises, lights flicker, and the smell of grilled seafood fills the air. Tourists, locals, louder. Zanzibar in one square. This is not just a tour, it's the story, a quiet dance between history and life. Thank you for watching. Karibu Zanzibar. Karibu Stone Town.